Hello everyone, this is our 7th MBP Python tutorial. In this session, we will introduce how to export your project to Visual Studio Code to debug and edit. In addition to coding directly in MBP Python, you can also debug and edit your code in Visual Studio Code and control MBP process from there. Next, I will share more details about this feature and demonstrate how to export your project to Visual Studio Code. Why we provide the option to debugging your project in Visual Studio Code, since it provides powerful debugging capabilities during development or testing. By leveraging VS Code's built-in debugger and extensive extensions, you can set breakpoints, inspect variables, and set through your code with ease. This integration simplifies the coding process and gives you access to advanced tools that make debugging and editing more efficient, ensuring a smoother workflow when working with MBP Python projects. To export your project to Visual Studio Code, first you need to configure the VS Code editor path in the Preference, VS Code Settings panel. In the System path, set the path to the VS Code executable defined in your environment variables, and ensure the bin path is added so it can be invoked from the command line. In the user path, if the system path is not found or you want to override it, you can manually set the VS Code executable here and choose whether system first or user first takes priority. Use the check button to validate the path. After applying these settings, you can export your project to Visual Studio Code. And here is an example. We select a project, click the Extend button, and choose VS Code. The system will automatically generate a VS Code folder with configuration files and open the project directory in VS Code. To debug, open the desired Python file, go to the Run and Debug panel, select Python current file, and click the green Start button. Please note that when running a task group, the system will call the entry function, which initializes the runtime environment and dispatches tasks sequentially. If you need to customize or debug task group behavior, start from this Python file. In summary, MBP Python enables you to easily debug and edit your projects in Visual Studio Code. With its powerful debugging capabilities, this makes your programming process easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching.